Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the sound for your Anker 2K HD resolution Eufy Doorbell. And to do this you'll need to get the doorbell connected with app, and we've shown you in our previous video on how to do it. Now let's click on these three dots next to our doorbell, open the settings. Here navigate to indoor chime, and you can choose from different options like existing doorbell chime, Eufy doorbell chime, or Homebase as chime, and I'll be using that one. Here you can enable or disable Homebase alerts, adjust the ringtone volume for it, and finally pick different tones like for example chord. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.